Welcome to the kingdom. We're back in the market. We're looking at the Dow right now and we're trying to see if this is going to go up. So what I'm going to do, this is a 5 minute. I wanted this market to drop a little more. We have 10 minutes until the market opens. It went to 160. It went to 660. I wanted to go to 645. Let's see if we can get a nice push down. But it's not a bad time to buy this. We might have missed our turnaround, but the NASDAQ looks like it wants to drop more. Come down here would be nice. We might have missed the reversal. We're approaching 5 minutes before the market opens. And right now, we have the NASDAQ up 300 points. Futures are looking good. Yep, we missed that reversal. Hopefully it reverses and comes back down and tests the low. But I was going to trade that going up, and I should have just took a quick scalp on that. Wow, that was a gap right there. That's an interesting gap right there. Okay, so we turn, like I said, I was hoping it to do. Now I have to break this, go down and test my levels. We have 5 minutes until the market opens. All right, came back up, closed this gap up. No, the Dow doesn't want to fall. I want that Dow to fall. It does not want to fall. Let's see what happens at the open. We got roughly 3 minutes left. So this is where patience comes in. You just sit and wait. We could have took this trade, and I really should have. The NASDAQ keeps falling. All right, we got about 2 minutes left. We're getting a huge, heavy push. Let me see if the Dow is pushing like that. Nope. But the NASDAQ is. We got a big push down. Yeah, on the 1 minute, we got another gap. We had a gap up here. Now we have another gap here. We got another minute to go in the market opens. Let's see if this NASDAQ's going to turn around. I believe it will. Once it opens, maybe we'll try to get into it. It should be opening any minute. There we go. It's open and we're dropping. Let's see what the Dow is doing. Dow's going up. NASDAQ dropping. It's dropping hard. It's almost there for a buy. When you got something like this, we can do micro. I'm looking for the 690 level, but we can we can do, let's do, okay, goes. There it goes, people. Let's play with big boy money. Okay, it broke my level. So what I want to do, the Dow took off. The Dow hit my level and took off like it was supposed to. The NASDAQ is still dropping hard. So what we do with this, we can either short it. I'm thinking we're going to get a nice turnaround. Oh, wait a minute here. Wait a minute. This might go all the way back down. Okay, so this might fall all the way back. So what we can do, so this is a nice short. No, we're going to take a buy in this. We're going to take a buy. Okay, we're up. Let's see what we can get. Market just opened. We're up $55. I think we should get a nice little turnaround. Or you want to go more to the downside. No, it's not going down here. It's not going down there. I'm saying we're good right here. We're up $25. Let's see if we can get a nice push up. Now it wants to. Let's see if we get in at the 50s. We're trying to get above this black line here. This is what we do at the market open. We're just patient and we're watching. It looks like we're going to get a heavy move down. We should have just shorted that. what I would do is I'm going to buy, because I do think this is going up. This is why you do micros. If you do not have a large account, you do micro contracts. I don't know why I got in there. I got in late. I got in real late there. You can see I'm down $260, 360. Let's see what the market's doing 5 minutes, and the market's up 240. Dow's up 140. We definitely have to sit and wait on this one. Let's sit and wait and see if we get a reversal. It looks like it wants to pop up to this blue line. Let's see. As you can see, I'm down 160. See if we can get a nice jump up to that black line, the blue or the black line. Being very indecisive right here. Definitely on a downtrend. Oh, very interested on the Dow chart. Let's see if it's going to break this. This is very interesting to me. So if it comes down to this line, it's a heavy buying opportunity. I can't believe this is going to drop all the way down here. So I'm going to show you something else that I do. We trade options also. So we're going to go to the Qs. Major push up on the cues. Look at that. Wow. Big gap on the cues right here at the market open. This does not look good right here unless this has to turn up, because this has all this space down here to go to. Does not look good. Does not look good at all. Another major turnaround on the Dow. The Dow has been very resilient. Dow is only up 25 points now. Down $1,200, $1,300. Wow, that was a major drop. Major drop. Okay, the Dow looks very resilient right here. Just popped up 200 on this Dow move. I like this candle. There you go. There you go on the Dow. It was up 400 points. I should have took it. I needed that. I'm going to take this right here. Come on, one more push up. 360. I'm taking it. 320. $320 on that. We're up 320. Oh, we're up a little bit here. Let's get one more push up. 330. 270. That's almost $600 there. That's $590 out of those two trades in 27 minutes. We were down $2,000. Everybody saw that. We took two trades, made $590 in less than 30 minutes. You work all day to make $100 to $150. 8 hours a day. I just showed you how to make $600 in 30 minutes. It's still going. I could have stayed in there and made more money. Let's see what the Dow is doing. Look at that. Easily 1,000. Because I got out right here. Easily $1,500 day in 30 minutes. But we got out, we scalped it, 30-minute scalp, $590. That's how we do it in the kingdom. You only have to work an hour a day, 30 minutes most of the time. If you follow my channel, 15 to 20 minutes or 15 to 30 minutes a day. And this is still going. Amazing. Amazing the power of stocks and money. Look at that. Easily 2,000 today. This is what I love. I love business. I love the stock market, and I'm here to teach you. If this is what you want to do, I need you to subscribe to this channel. Like this video. The church is not teaching you this. This is where God has called me to teach you how to make money so that you can be a blessing. That's the number one purpose of this. Blessed to be a blessing. This is what we do. Kingdom business.